guys, well, I have shipped off the X2 and it's on its way to its new home in Arizona. It was sad to see it go, but it was time for me to move forward. In the process of shipping off the X2, I had the opportunity to purchase another Precision Matthews 727, which you see here. Now this was a buddy of mine, Chad's, and I had machined the conversion mount spacer for this machine. It's ready to go, CNC. It has the ball screws and everything. Over the last couple years, Chad's been working on this and waiting on me for parts, etc. But in that process, he happened to move and he just doesn't have time to complete the build, so he offered it to me. I didn't really need a second meal, however, it gave me the opportunity to, instead of having to tear down my current machine to do the DMM Servo motor upgrade, which was going to require me to build a new control box anyways, it just made sense to go ahead and put it on this machine. So for this project, we're going to call this the PM727MXL for linear rails. Yes, I'm going to be adding linear rail conversion to this machine, as well as the servo motors. Trying to play on words with Tormach's new M release. The Precision Matthews already had the M, and then Tormach's going to add the MX later on this year, which all the information that I've received indicates that that's going to be servo motors. We already had planned for the servo motors, so we're going to add the linear rails, which is something that I've been contemplating over the last 6 months with my buddy Wyatt. So why not just go ahead and do all those improvements on this machine. So stay tuned for those videos. It's also going to have this big motor on it. This is a 1.5 horsepower marathon motor. It's a steel frame motor, so it's a good bit heavier than the Leeson that I'm currently using. What makes this particular motor stand out and different from the Leeson is, even though this is a 1800 RPM 4-pole motor, it's 1,000 to 1 constant torque. And my buddy Wyatt is currently running this motor on his Precision Matthews, and he's able to take massive cuts with this motor without any tool pull out from his Belvilles, and without any signs of this motor slowing down. So this is definitely going to be a big improvement over the current setup. Along with the linear rails and the servo motors, this machine ought to be a pretty awesome build. Yeah, so stay tuned for those videos. We'll probably start, I haven't really decided whether we'll start with linear rails or the control box. It's all got to be done. But having a separate machine allows me the opportunity to continue using my current Precision Matthews without having to tear it apart and work on it. So this is just going to be a whole better situation for me. I appreciate Chad offering this machine to me. It came at the perfect time. He also has a lot of the components to do the conversion from my original machine. He has the Emerson VFD. He has the original control panel. So if any of you guys are following my build and doing a conversion yourself and you're looking for some of those components, let me know and I will get you in touch with Chad, because he still has some of that stuff currently. Yeah, stay tuned. I'm pretty excited to get this started. So we're going to start figuring out which linear rails we're going to go with and that drawn up. So stay tuned for those videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel if you have not. You can follow me on Instagram and get up-to-the-minute posts on what's currently going on. It's CNC for XR7. thumbs up if you like the video, guys. Thanks for watching. And most importantly, be safe.